And so, the once glorious fortress of Sigiriya, a testament to power and ambition, now stands in quiet ruin. The echoes of a king's arrogance fade with the winds that rustle through its crumbling walls. Kashyapa's legacy, born of betrayal and bloodshed, is swallowed by time, leaving only memories etched in stone. Yet, from the ashes of war, a new dawn rises. Monks in saffron robes walk the paths once tread by a ruler's ambition, their soft chants filling the air, bringing peace to what was once a battlefield. Sigiriya, now a sanctuary of serenity, becomes a monument not to a king's might, but to the wisdom of those who seek to heal the wounds of the past.